Hey there, lovebirds. Are you wondering if your partner is ready to take your relationship to the next level? You're not alone. Proposing can be a nerve-wracking experience, but it's also one of the most exciting moments in any romantic journey. So, if you're curious about the signs that he's ready to pop the question, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 7 signs he's ready to propose. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what to look out for, and you'll be one step closer to hearing those 4 magical words. Will you marry me? Let's get started. Number 1. He talks about the future. Do you ever find yourself daydreaming about a future with your partner? Well, it turns out that they may be doing the same thing. One telltale sign that your significant other is ready to take things to the next level is if they constantly talk about what's to come. From envisioning the kind of family you both want to have to plan where you'll call home, discussing the future together is a clear indicator that they see you as a long-term partner. So, if your loved one can't seem to stop talking about your future together, it's a promising sign that they may have marriage on their mind. Get ready to build a life full of love and adventure with the one you adore. Number 2. He wants to meet your family. Is your partner dropping hints about meeting your family? Well, that could be an exciting sign that they're ready to take your relationship to the next level. Meeting the family is a significant step for any couple and a clear indication that they're interested in getting to know the people who have played an integral role in shaping your life. So, if your partner is eagerly looking forward to meeting your family, it could be a good sign that they are serious about taking the next step in your relationship. It shows that they value the importance of family and are keen to establish meaningful connections with the people you love. Meeting the family is a significant milestone in any relationship, so cherish this moment and see where it takes you both. Number 3. He talks about marriage and proposals. Are you feeling the butterflies in your stomach whenever your partner initiates a conversation about marriage and proposals? If yes, then hold on tight because it might be a strong indication that they are considering popping the question soon. These exciting and nerve-wracking discussions can lead to a whole new level of your relationship. You might find your partner asking you about your dream wedding, the kind of ring you like, or even the perfect proposal spot. Pay close attention to their words, as they might be dropping hints about their future plans. These conversations are a clear sign that your partner is serious about spending theirs forever with you. So, get ready to embark on a thrilling journey toward your happily ever after with your significant other. Number 4. He starts looking for engagement rings online or in store windows. One of the biggest signs that a man is ready to propose to his partner is when he starts looking at engagement rings. Whether he's browsing online or taking a stroll through a jewelry store, this act shows that he's seriously considering taking the next step in his relationship. He may be looking for inspiration or seeking out the perfect ring that matches his partner's personality and style. Regardless of the reason, the act of searching for an engagement ring is a significant step toward a lifelong commitment. It's important to note that not all men will follow this tradition, but for those who do, it's a surefire sign that he's ready to take his relationship to the next level. Number 5. He is financially stable. When it comes to popping the big question, financial stability can play a crucial role in your partner's decision-making process. It's not just about flashy rings and extravagant weddings, but about the long-term financial commitment that comes with marriage. A financially secure partner sends a clear signal that they are prepared to take on the responsibility of building a life together. They have a steady income and a solid financial footing, which can give you both peace of mind as you plan for the future. A financially stable partner is someone who is not just financially responsible but also understands the value of hard work and dedication. They're not afraid of putting in the effort to create a stable and secure life for you both. So, if your partner is financially stable, it could be a great indication that they're ready to take your relationship to the next level. Number 6. He is supportive of your goals. When it comes to having a partner, there are many qualities that we look for. But one that stands out above the rest is genuinely supportive of our goals and dreams. It's a sign that they are invested in our future together and committed to seeing us succeed. Imagine having a partner who not only listens to your aspirations but also actively encourages you to pursue them. They'll be your biggest cheerleader, pushing you to chase your passions and achieve your career goals. Their unwavering support will make you feel like you can conquer the world. When you find someone who is genuinely invested in your success, it's a strong indication that they are ready for a long-term commitment. It shows that they are willing to work alongside you to achieve your dreams and build a life together. So if you're lucky enough to have a partner who supports your goals, hold on to them tightly and never let go. Number 7. He shows you love in their own way. Love is expressed in different ways, and your partner's unique way of showing affection is a telltale sign of their readiness to propose. Perhaps they're not the type to shower you with sweet nothings, but they make up for it through thoughtful gestures and actions that demonstrate their love for you. It could be a simple act of cooking your favorite meal or surprising you with a heartfelt present that makes you feel special. These small things may seem insignificant, but they speak volumes about your partner's devotion to you. Pay attention to how they make you feel, how they go out of their way to make you happy, and how they prioritize your needs. These are clear indications that they're willing to commit to a lifetime of love and devotion with you. So, if your partner's unique way of showing affection makes you feel loved and cherished, you can rest assured that they're ready to take the next step and propose. There you have it, 7 signs he's ready to propose. If you've noticed these signs in your partner, it's a good indication that he's serious about your relationship and sees a future with you. However, it's important to remember that every relationship is unique, and there's no set timeline for when someone should propose. It's essential to have open and honest communication with your partner and discuss your future together. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice and tips. Thank you for watching.